I really need to set up a list for the new rapidactionchallenge.com because there's no point of having a website at all unless you've got a call to action to something. And having free resources and being accountable is one thing, but you just don't know who you're going to resonate with, and other people, yourself maybe, might be interested in joining the challenges with you, which motivates you even more. So I want to have a list there so that people can connect. I have an account with MailChimp at the moment, so I'll log into that one. I used to have Aweber and GetResponse, and I've also got Oprius, but I really want MailChimp, and there's a reason I want MailChimp. One is in the lists. They allow you to have like little segments, and I can use that with the way that I'm going to do for the Soulpreneur site, not the Rapid Action Challenge site, but for the Soulpreneurs, I don't know, but for the Soulpreneurs site, I'm going to have a pay what you want pricing model, and I'm going to use Gumroad. Gumroad is like an alternative to PayPal, and it is pretty damn cool, I must say. It is basically, it shits all over PayPal, really. And it also allows you to have a pay what you want model, so that, when you, like, for example, I've got this course set up here, so it's already logged in under me somehow, but this is just a test product. But for some people, they might be comfortable paying a certain amount, and other people might be comfortable paying a certain amount. And as the Soulpreneur's sort of ethics, or rather the value model of it, because it's helping people who are helping the people, a lot of the people who are helping the people don't have, they're more heart than millionaires, you know what I mean? So I really want to have the right pricing model for those particular people. So I'm going to use Gumroad, and that's the main reason why I'm going to be continuing with MailChimp. So I'm going to create a new list for the Rapid Action Challenge. Create list. Do you want to create a new list, or do you just want to subdivide an existing list with groups? Well, Rapid Action Challenge, these are all really like old test ones. You can see, I've not even used it. The one subscriber on these are me. So it looks like I created the account in 2010 and haven't even used it because I was using Aweber and GetResponse. But so I'm going to create a list, a new list, Rapid Action Challenge. And the from address, I've set up one, and I think it's called Rapid Action. Actually, I can't remember. It was a couple of days ago. I even created a video on it, and I can't remember. So I'll log into the cPanel, and okay, it's 17mins@rapidactionchallenge.com. Default from name, I actually will use Rapid Action Challenge in this case. I want to change that to my actual name. Let's go one by one. So now I'm going to go into create some segments. So I'm going to go settings, list fields, and merge tags. And I'm not going to collect people's first name. Or last name. I'm going to add a field. I'm going to add field every single time I have something to download. I'm going to add it here. I actually don't have anything right now, so I will be making it up, but text, we'll call this one challenge. Like, I want to create one for people who have joined the challenge, joined with me, who have, said whatever, from my podcasts or webinars or videos or from stumbling upon the site, they want to do some kind of challenge with me. So maybe we'll just call it challenge. We don't want to have it visible because I'm going to, when I use lead pages down the track, it's going to automatically add them to a specific field when they click on certain things. So let's call this Emerge Challenge, like something where I know, All right, save. And now, let's just check the other settings. Found a mistake. And I also want this to be updated to the 17 mins one. Okay, now I'm going to go into automation, create automation workflow, rapid action challenge. I want to do custom because I want triggers, segments, and emails. The segment is that list thing that I just added then. So select workflow name, new challenger. I want to verify the domain. I'm just going into the cPanel to Alright, now we're going to configure the trigger. Okay. Trigger workflow when the following conditions are met. When subscriber joins list, yes. When they're imported, well, I don't intend to import anyone, but I'll tick it anyway. Add segmentation conditions. Subscribers match all of the following conditions. Challenge is not blank. Yeah. So that means that once I set up these lead pages things, when they click on a certain thing, so maybe they'll click on something on my site that'll say, you know, download my free reports. If you click here and they click on that, when they do that, it automatically triggers them to go into this challenge because I'll have a secret, thing where it automatically checks that box. So when that box is checked, that will be not blank, obviously. When it is blank, it means that they've clicked on something else. And that way, that only people who have joined the challenge, like clicked on the thing saying join the challenge, is going to get whatever this particular trigger is for. So now next, add email, design email. And now this is going to be their free download, which is pretty hard to, I probably should have waited until I actually had something to download before I did this. However, I'm on the 17-minute a day action challenge, and I've decided today that I'm going to set up the list. So what do? All right, so this one's going to be Challenger giveaway, email subject, rapid action challenge giveaway. And what I'll do is I'll actually, probably change that to whatever it is that they're going to download when I work that out. Rapid action challenge. Either that or the 17 minutes. I reckon I should change my from name to 17 mins. It's smaller. From email address. Okay, next. I did set up a template the other day when I was working on the other one, and I'd like to use the same one. So that way, when they open up their email, all they've got is just their freebie and the download. So with this particular one, I don't actually know what I'm going to be giving, but I know that I've got, templates and worksheets and cheat sheets and everything like that for this site. That's going to be absolutely perfect for anyone who's, visiting and joining. So we'll change this to Challenger Startup Kit templates. download your Rapid Action Challenge Startup Kit templates. That sounds alright, except this is because there's a members area here, so people can, on the Soulpreneurs site, they can, you know, click on everything and download free templates, and as a result they get subscribed to the main email list. But for the Rapid Action Challenge site, there is no members area on there, and I don't intend to have a members area on there. So I might change this little, you know, box down here to join the Facebook group. So join us on Facebook and connect with other Rapid Action Challenges. Connect Facebook. Don't know which one I'm going to use, so I'll just use one of the ones from a couple of years ago, entrepreneursunite.org. That's okay. I also want to change the colors to match the site again. There we go, blue. Now we're talking. Alright, so now it's the header container we want to change to the site colors. I'm just matching the branding for the website so that people recognize it. I think if people got that, you know, there's no qualms about where it came from. So now we'll finish. And so what will happen, I'll just change it to immediately, because if you want to download something, you want to download something straight away. So what will happen is once I figure out what I'm going to give people as a freebie, I'll go back into here, I'll edit, I'll go into the download part, I'll change the web address to, not to file. I could upload the file straight to email, but wouldn't do that. So probably, you know, I'd change it to rapidactionchallenge.com startup kit or something, wherever I've uploaded the download files, and I'll change, you know, the text in here. But it's all ready to go. I can actually start, you know, setting things up, creating a opt-in box, maybe I'll do that now. So what it will look like when they receive it, I'll just open up my Gmail, and that's what they'll get. So they'll click on the MailChimp email, and it's just a really obvious, let's download it, eh? So, and when they click on different things on the site, they'll get a whole bunch of emails like this. So it won't be like this big long email that they have to read through and, you know, all spammy and everything. They'll just be able to click on download and go straight to the file. And I like that.